Dementia is a condition in which a person's brain functions differently than it used to, making it challenging for them to remember things, think clearly, or even perform the daily tasks. It can result from various factors such as an issue with the brain cell or certain diseases affecting the brain. However, there are treatments available to manage the symptoms and improve the quality of life for those affected. In this video, we will recommend 5 foods that can be beneficial during these challenging times. Include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins to support brain health. Opt for items such as fatty fish, as well as vegetables like broccoli, pumpkin, squash, and carrots. Whereas turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, may help reduce the inflammation linked to dementia. Emphasize a diet with healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential nutrients to support cognitive functions and reduce the risk of dementia. Additionally, these foods provide energy and support to heart health, which is closely linked to brain health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be a part of brain-healthy lifestyle, potentially supporting cognitive functions and lowering the risk of developing dementia. Hope you like this video. For more health-related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.